Welcome to this walk around video. Today I'm going to showcase this lovely EQS 450 Plus, being the executive luxury saloon. It's a lovely car with loads of specification. It's finished in diamond white metallic. It's got these insane digital lights. It's got the surround camera system as well, which is projected on the OLED touchscreen in the centre. 22-inch diamond cut alloys as well. Heated windscreen. As you can see, it's got the head-up display. Sliding panoramic roof. Do also have rear privacy glass and the electric tailgate. Also features the extended light bar across the rear as well. It is a one owner vehicle and does come with a full Mercedes service history. On the inside you're greeted with the macchiato beige Nappa leather and the contrasting space grey. Does have heated and ventilated rear seats with electric adjustment, as well as the climate control for the rear. Lovely condition inside and out, as you'd expect. We've also got heated and ventilated front seats with the memory package, Burmester surround sound system. And you do of course have the newest infotainment system that Mercedes offer, with the digital driver's display and this lovely OLED touchscreen in the centre. As you can see, it does have the energising massage seats in the front. It does also have navigation, CarPlay, etc. all through there, as well as your climate control. It does also have a wireless charging pad. Lovely condition and a lot of car. If you do have any more questions about this vehicle, please do contact us. The number is 01423 33 1133.